Let's say you got 10,000 to create video content for your next collection. You will go for a studio shoot with a crew and cameras, or an AI pipeline fully remote and automated. So let's break down what you get with 10,000 with AI or traditional way. By the way, I'm Frank, I'm the author of AI Attraction, a founder of an AI automation agency in Milan, where we help fashion brands to scale visual content through automation. Not hype, just real projects with concrete stuff and real results. So today we are comparing the traditional fashion video production versus the AI-powered workflows. So we've done both, and the difference is huge. Video production has become a real bottleneck for brands because you need TikTok cuts, you need product reels, you need campaign videos for every drop, for every SKU in your catalog, for every different platform and marketplace. So traditional video is always been expensive, slow, and it doesn't really scale. So with 10,000, you might get, in a traditional way, 1 day of shooting, one model, art director, an editor, and you will walk away with maybe 3 to 5 polished cuts. If something changed over the next week, you're back to square one. So to recap, traditional video shoot, 10,000, studio rental, model, 1 crew, 1 day of shoot, 1-2 edited campaign videos, maybe a few product clips, and 7-10 days of delivery. So you burn basically all your budget for few assets and no room for any iteration. So let's now see what you get with AI with the same 10,000. This is how we would split our 10,000 into real projects. So first we're gonna go for 40% into video generation for each product. Motion on model, pose changes, nice lighting, all generated with AI starting from on-model shots. Then we would use around 30% to create campaign level editorials, so AI model-based storytelling in custom environments, no limits of location, logistic, moving the crew, moving the product, just AI that moves you wherever you want. Then I would use like 20 to 30% into format adaptation. So you want to really use all your videos in different formats for all the different platforms, so social media platform, product pages. And so we would automate this adaptation of the format and creative supervision. Creative supervision while working with AI is super important, like it is in a traditional way, but just within 1 or 2 days of work, we would have all our pipelines supervised by one creative director that knows really what to do and not to do with the AI to stay consistent with your brand guidelines, and will check all the workflows for you. The output with AI would be at least 1 video per SKU, so we'll get all your catalog covered. Let's say you have 50 plus videos for your catalog, then you would have around 10 editorial cuts that will be exported into like 30 to 40 plus platform ready short formats. All of this delivered in 5 to 6 days. So it's not only faster and cheaper, but it's more flexible. So you can iterate, you can localize, you could test more and launch different content during all your year, and you will not be stuck into planning the shooting location, maximizing the same crew time of the people, and you will be much more flexible during all your calendar and commercial calendar. So if you think about using 30K per year, you could cover all your collection for most brands and have videos for the product catalog for each product SKU, increase conversion rate, and then have a ton of editorial videos to be used for social media and to create marketing and communication with editing, compared to maybe 5 to 10 videos, 2 or 3 days of shooting with the same 30,000. So this video is not about tech. It's for you leaders and managers, to help you understand the new way to produce content and creative at scale. So you don't need a bigger team or bigger budget, you just need a smarter way. And this is how you do it with scalable AI processes and pipelines. This is not theory, it's what we're building for our customer and brands and fashion brand in Italy that works with us. It's not theory, it's not the hype around AI, it's already happening right now. If you're interested in this approach in general on how to use AI automation and new scalable AI processes, you should check out my book. It's on Amazon, it's called AI Traction, available in Italian and English. It's a full breakdown on how to scale AI across your business, and it's written with a fairy tale, so it's super easy and accessible to read. If you're more into understanding how to use the budget and how to build a project, automation, maybe you want to understand yourself how to build some stuff, you should check out my school community where we really go deep into tools, budgets for projects, and real case studies. See you there.